We'll guide you through how to change units in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To change the units in Blender, begin by opening Blender and starting your project or creating a new file. Next, look at the top menu bar and make sure you are in the default layout so all panels are visible and easy to access. After that, locate the Properties panel on the right side of the screen, which contains various settings for your scene. In the Properties panel, find and click the Scene Properties tab, which is represented by an icon that looks like a cone and a sphere. Once selected, scroll down within this panel until you find the section labeled Units. Then, click on the drop-down menu labeled Unit System to view the available options. Choose the unit system you prefer, such as None, Metric, or Imperial, depending on your project requirements. If you select Metric, you can further customize the measurement settings below the drop-down menu. Click on the Length drop-down to choose specific units like meters, centimeters, or millimeters for precise control. After selecting the length unit, adjust the unit scale value if you want to change how large or small the grid represents real-world size in your scene. You can also enable or disable the Separate Units option if you want Blender to display measurements in a combined format like 1 meter and 20 centimeters instead of a single decimal value. After making these adjustments, observe the grid and object measurements in the viewport to confirm that the changes have been applied correctly. To double-check, select an object in your scene and press the N key to open the sidebar. Then go to the Item tab to see the updated dimensions. Move or scale the selected object to verify that the measurements now follow the unit system you chose. Finally, save your project to ensure that the unit settings are preserved for future work. This step is important because saving prevents losing your customized configuration when reopening the file later. If needed, you can reopen the same project and repeat these steps to adjust units again for different tasks or workflows. Practicing these adjustments will help you become comfortable working with accurate measurements in Blender for modeling, animation, and other creative tasks. Review your settings before starting detailed work to maintain consistency.